Good morning, students. Today we will be solving the next exercise of the chapter Operations on Venn diagram. How we can represent a set with the help of Venn diagram, or when Venn diagram is given, how we can represent the set with the help of the Venn diagram. So we will be solving certain questions with the help of exercise. So the first question is, use the given Venn diagram to find the following. So the first is universal set. Universal set means a set which contains all the elements that are formed in this rectangle. So what are the elements? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay. Now next, P. What are the elements of P? The elements that are given in this circle. J, M, P, F and G and H. This circle, the elements that are present in this circle will be the elements of P. Then Q, the elements present in this circle. What are the elements? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I and N. Then next, R. What are the elements of R? The elements present in this circle. K, L, H, G, I and N. One more thing. What are these elements? O, Q and R. O, Q and R are not the elements of P, Q and R. These are the elements of only universal set. Got it? The set P contains all the elements specified in this circle. The set Q consists all the elements specified in this circle. And the set R consists all the elements specified in this circle. Then intersection means the common elements. Just see F and G. F and G. F and G are the common elements of set P and Q. Then just see here F and G. Here also F and G, common elements of P and Q. Then this G is the common element of all the three sets. See, just it is coming in this circle also, Q circle also and R circle also. Like that you can specify it. Now next, P dash or P complement. P complement means the elements of P that are not present in the universal set. Just see J. J is present here, J is present here. M is present here, M is present here. P is present here, P is present here. F is present here, G is present here and H is present here. What are the remaining elements? A, B, C, D, E, then I, then K, L, then N, O, then Q, R. The remaining elements that are left in the universal set except the elements of this P set will be the P complement. What is the meaning of P complement? The elements that are not present, the elements of P that are not present in universal set. Next, Q complement. Q complements means the elements of Q not present in universal set. Just see A is present there, B is present there, C is present there, D is present there, E, F, G, I and N. So the remaining elements are H, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q and R. Now next, R complement. R complement means the elements of R that are not present in universal set. Just see, K is there, L is there, H is there, G is there, I is there, N is there. So what are the elements that are left? A, B, C, D, E, F, then J, then M, O, P, Q, R. Understood? Next, P intersection Q. P intersection Q means the common elements of P and Q. So what are the common elements of P and Q? F and G. Just see, both the elements F and G are present in P as well as in Q. So P intersection Q means the elements F and G. Then Q intersection R. Q intersection R means the common elements of Q and R. Just see, what are the common elements of Q and R? G is present, I and N. So G, I, N are the common elements of Q intersection R. So what will be Q intersection R? G, I and N. Now next, P minus Q. What is the meaning of P minus Q? The elements of P not present in Q will be the P minus Q. So what are the elements of P that are not present in Q? Just see, F is present, G is present. What are the elements that are not present? J, M, P and H. Next, Q minus R. Q minus R means the elements of Q not present in R. Just first see, what are the elements that are present? G, I and N. So what are the elements that are not present? A, B, C, D, E and F. So Q minus R, what are the elements are there? A, B, C, D, E and F. Next, P minus R. P minus R means the elements of P not present in R. Just see, what are the elements of P not present in R? F is, G is there, H is there. So what are the elements that are not present? J, M, P and F. Similarly, we have written here. Understood? Now we'll be solving the next question. So the next question is, if A minus B equals, what are the elements of A minus B? 1, 3, 7 and 8. A minus B means the elements of A not present in B. So 1, 3, 7 and 8 are the elements of A. Next, B minus A. What are the elements of B minus A? 2, 4 and 6. B minus A means the elements of B not present in A. Then A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements of A and B. That means this 5 will be present in A as well as in B. Then use a Venn diagram to display the elements of the given sets. So you have to display the elements of the set with the help of Venn diagram and tabulate the elements of the sets A, B and A union B. And you have to represent the set A, B and A union B. So let's solve the sum. Here A minus B is given, the elements of A minus B. Then the elements of B minus A is given, and then A intersection B is given. Just focus here. A minus B means the elements of A not present in P. So 1, 3, 7 and 8 will be the elements of A only. Yes or no? Then A intersection B means common elements of A and B. That means 5 will be present in A. So the elements of A are 1, 3, 7, 8 and 5. Next, B minus A. B minus A means the elements of B not present in A. So 2, 4 and 6. These elements will be present in B, not in A. So 2, 4, 6 and then 5. 5 will be present in both. Yes or no? So the elements of B will be 2, 4, 6 and 5. Then A union B. A union B means all the elements of the set A and B. So you will write both all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then how you can represent it by the Venn diagram? A and B. So the common element is 5. So 5 will be here only because this represents that 5 is there, that the element 5 is present in both the sets A and B. Then 1, 3, 7 and 8 will represent like that. Then 2, 4, 6 will represent like that. Now next, if NA equals 10, that means the cardinal number is given of the set A. What? That is 10. NB is given 15. Then NA intersection B is given 7. Then what you have to find? A union B. What is the meaning of A union B? A union B means the elements of A, the elements of B. Why we are subtracting NA intersection B? We are subtracting A intersection B because the set A and B, the common elements, it consists all the common elements. So when you are writing here, just see, we'll explain with one example. Here 5, 5 is there, yes or no? And the A intersection B is 5, yes or no? When you are writing anything 2 times, what you have to do? You have to subtract. Similarly, here we will be doing that A union B, what is there? NA plus NB, what you will be subtracting? NA intersection B, because the common element. So NA is given 10, B is given 15 and you will subtract 7. First you will add these both, you will get 25 minus 7, you will be getting 18. Rest of the sums will be solved in next video. Thank you.